Okay, welcome back. We're here with another edition of Huskies Outsider Quick Hits. I'm here today with Hubert Bidens, defensive lineman for the Huskies, in his 5th year this year, Hubert?
Yes,
right? Yes,
that's correct.
Okay, so we're going to find out a little bit more about you, things that the fans might not know.
All right.
Okay, you ready? What's your favorite all-time movie?
Dumb and Dumber.
Favorite food?
Probably steak. Yeah.
How do you like your steak done?
Blue rare.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Favorite season?
Probably fall.
Oh, nice. Ski or snowboard?
Neither one.
Neither?
Yeah, not very good on the whole like planks on snow.
Okay, fair enough. Prefer really hot or really cold?
Oh, probably really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who do you think is your mentor or idol?
Mentor or idol? I'm gonna go with Kelly Bates.
Kelly Bates
Yeah.
again? Gotta throw him in there.
Just got it, yeah.
Yeah. What do you think is the hardest position to play?
Left guard for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Oilers or Flames?
Oilers.
How many Facebook friends do you have?
I don't have Facebook at all.
No!
Yeah, none.
Are you anti-Facebook?
A little bit. I'm a little bit anti-Facebook.
Okay. Who would win in a wrestling match? Megan or Hubert?
Well, Hubert, obviously.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How about a
Pretty
sprint?
obvious. Hubert.
Okay. Second favorite sport?
Rugby.
Oh yes. Okay. Who's the messiest player?
The messiest player. Like in the locker room messy?
Oh, just all around.
Oh man. I'm gonna go with Rozdilski.
Okay.
His stuff is just posting everywhere.
Oh. Guitar Hero or SingStar?
Guitar Hero.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your most embarrassing football moment?
Embarrassing football moment. One time in my first year against Manitoba, I was really gonna cut a guy and I just went all out and cut the center. Like cut Tim West beside me and it was bad. Almost blew out his knee and like there's an interception thrown. It was ugly.
Oh,
it was ugly.
Good. What's your favorite flower?
Favorite flower? Dandelion.
Dandelion?
Yep.
Nice. What's your greatest football moment?
Running out, Vanier 06.
Vanier 06.
For sure.
Right on, that's a good one. Okay, thanks so much, Hubert.
Awesome.